Good day. My name is Derek Bleeding from the Columbus Financial and Success Coach. Today we're talking about ways we can get a free financial advice and or affordable financial advice. So, first question is might come to your mind, came to mind, why does someone want to give you free financial advice for? Well, they're trying to build credibility and trust with you. So I, like myself, give you some freebies here, some free ways you can actually find free financial advice. And one of the simplest ways to find free financial advice is going on a search engine, typing that out, free financial advice, boom. And it'll pop up some results, and people are giving articles on that. You can go to YouTube and get free videos on that as well. What's another way of doing that if that's not your thing? Well, you can go to a nonprofit organization. Some nonprofit organizations out there would offer you free financial advice or free financial counseling or free advising or coaching or money coaching out there. That does exist as well. What if you don't have a nonprofit organization that can do it? What's the next option? Well, you can look at Google Play Store or Apple Store for a free app that can give you some guidance that way as well. Okay, what if you're not technical? You might say, "What if, hey, Derek? I'm not technologically advanced. What should I do?" Well, if all has failed, if YouTube has failed, if Google has failed you, is the Google Store has failed you, if Apple Store has failed you, what's left? Well, the Columbus Financial and Success Coach will actually give you, for a limited number of people, a free financial counseling, or basically in exchange for something else. What's that exchange can be? Well, if we feel you're a good candidate for us, we're a good fit for us, we can offer you to a limited amount of people a limited financial coaching for you. So we'll help you fix your financial issues in exchange for something else. And what that's usually else is giving us a recommendation, a testimonial about how great our services are. That's what we do. We do offer a limited number of that. We don't offer everyone. Obviously, we have to make some money as well, but that's something we can offer you. So if that works for you, that's fantastic. And once again, my name is Derek Bleeding. I'm with the Columbus Financial Success Coach. If you like this video, please like us. Please follow us. We want to have more coming in the future. And I'd like to thank you very much for joining in today. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.